Hi class, in this we're going to go over chapter 29 quiz. We're talking about exchange rate here. All right, so first question says in 2014, the US dollar and Japanese yen exchange rate was at a $1 for 108.3 Japanese yen. By 2017, exchange rate has become $1 for 129.6 Japanese yen. If a deposit of 13,000 US dollar was invested in a Japanese yen denomination account at 7% interest rate, how much profit in Japanese yen had the account generated by 2017? All right, so a couple important information here. So we're going to take this dollar, $13,000, convert it to Japanese yen in 2014, save it at a 7% interest rate, and then by 2017, we're going to see how much profit that account generated. So first, we're going to do, we're going to exchange our US. So in 2014, we're going to exchange dollars to Japanese yen. Right? So we have $13,000. Japanese yen, the exchange rate is $1 for 108.3 US dollars. So this will give you a total of 13,000 times 108.3. So that's going to be a total of 1.407 million Japanese yen. Now this Japanese yen is growing at an interest rate of 7% for 3 years. So the formula for that is your future value equals to your deposit times 1 plus the interest rate to the power of years, right? So our deposit is going to be this 1,407,900 Japanese yen times 1 plus the interest rate. So interest rate is going to be 7% of that, and then to the power of 3 years. Okay, so let's see how much money this is. Let me do that right here. Can I do this? No, doesn't do the entire calculation. So let me just type it out then. Okay, so equals to 1,407,900 times 1 plus the interest rate, 7% interest rate, and to the power of 3. All right, so that's how much Japanese yen we have. And the question is asking for how much profit do we have for Japanese yen. All right, so that's easy. We're just going to use your new number, the 1.724738, subtract the 1.407900, and that's how much profit you get for Japanese yen. So we get a profit of 316,000 Japanese yen. Now the question might also ask you, it's going to be read the question very carefully, how much is the profit in US dollar? So we need to convert this money back to US dollar to see how much profit that is, right? So that profit equals to, so we're going to do the new amount of Japanese yen. So this will be in 2017. So in 2017, we had to take our yen back to dollar, and then to pay back so to pay off the $13,000 initial deposit, right? So that's going to be the yen 1.72478 million Japanese yen divided by the exchange rate, which is 129.6, 129.6. So that will give you how much your 1.7 million Japanese yen is equivalent to US dollar. So that equals to 13,308, and then subtract that from our initial $13,000. Okay, so we just made a $300 profit. Okay, so that's how you do this type of question. Let's look at another one. So in 2019, if US dollar purchase, here, let me zoom in a little bit. So in 2019, if 1.9 US dollar can purchase 334.46 Korean won, at the same exchange rate, how much US dollar can 14,000 Korean won purchase. So we're going to reverse the Korean won into US dollar. Uh, so the setup for this, I like to do this as a cross multiply situation. So imagine if you set it up as 334, let's do this 1.9 US dollar divided by the 334.46 Korean won. Let's just call KW equals to. Now we're looking for how much dollar this is. So question mark USD divided by 49,000 Korean won. Right. So now all we're gonna do is just solve for the missing variable. Right. So cross multiply. So this equals to 1.9 divided by 334.46, and then multiply by the 49,000. Ooh, too many zero. All right, so that's the answer. So $278. Okay. All right, guys. So this any question, let me know. So remember, I'm always here to help. So this is not a difficult question. It's just a lot of math involved. So any question you have, let me know what number it is on the quiz, and I'll do it for you. Okay. All right. See you later. Bye bye.